Hello Year 12 and welcome to the 11th video here for our first series on finance and loans. We're looking today at loan repayment tables. Now these tables can vary significantly into what you input into them and what they will calculate for you. So you do need to read all the information around them quite carefully. Now the first of these ones here, or in this example 21, this table tells us what the monthly repayment will be for every $1,000 we borrow. And if we have a look at the row and column headings, we can see we have a variety of percentages and a variety of years. So this tells me that, right, for some given percentage and for some number of years, then I can work out what the monthly repayment will be on $1,000. And if I'm borrowing more than $1,000, well, I'll just be able to scale it up, right? Multiply by that factor. So, off to the question, and we have Maurice here having borrowed $26,000, so I need 26 times that factor. 8% 4-year term, right? Grab your highlighter. There's my 8% column. There's my 4-year term. Right, so now if I pull out a little draw here. So the figure that I'm after is that 2441. So how much is his monthly repayment? Okay, well, I'm going to have to type in here, I think. My monthly repayment is going to be 26 lots of that figure there, 2441. Right, typing today. How do we like that? Okay, and if I pull out the calculator and do 26 lots of 2441, right, by the magic of video, we have, I think, $634.66. So what will our monthly repayment be? It will be $634.66. So Maurice is going to make monthly repayments of $634.66. How much extra does he pay for the car? Well, if every month he pays $634.66, he makes that payment 12 times a year and for 4 years. So if I multiply those figures together, that will be the total that Maurice repays. So let's try that. We have 66, right? And that is, I'm going to multiply that by 12. Right, that's how much he pays in 1 year. And if I multiply that by 4, that's going to tell me what he pays in total over the term of the loan. Right, so I multiply all those things together, and I'm going to see that Maurice pays back a total of $30,463.68. That's the total that he's paid for the car. Now, that's not what the question asks for. What's the total that he pays? The question is asked here, how much extra does he pay? So we will also need to find the difference, right? So I don't like that very much. Let's just delete that so I get the same font. Okay, so the 30,463. Oh, hang on. So our $30,463.68, the total amount we paid for the car, minus the value, the amount that we borrowed, the $26,000. Okay, and this is essentially going to be the interest that was paid, not the interest rate, but the additional cost for borrowing that money. And the difference between those figures is $4,463.68. Rightio. Now that's only this particular example. Right, as we work through the exercise in the book, we'll see there are all sorts of different tables that require different inputs that calculate different things for us. Read them very carefully. Attempt as many as you can. If anything doesn't make very much sense, you're not sure how it works, certainly puzzle your way through it, check the answers in the back and see if you can make sense of it that way, but make sure that you ask your teacher for assistance as required as well. Okay, that's it for this fairly brief video. I hope it makes sense. See you in class.